Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today I'm chilling, but I'm going to take you with me, show you somewhere great to go for a day's relaxation, get away from the madness. So quickly, this is Nern Plub Wan. I'll put a map link. Pussycat Club, that is for a point to look out for along, because when you go past the Pussycat Club, just on the right here, Soy 22, Nern Plub Wan, turn right, and we'll go down to Wilfs fishing resort. Now up to you, it's not just fishing. There's bar, restaurant, here we are. Hello, someone's beat me to it. And it is a great day out, relaxing and chilling. If you can find it. I was going to have that space. What on earth? I don't know how to drive. Not many people out here do, I'm afraid. Right, all parked up. Let's go and have a look at it. Right. So here we are, Wilfs Fishing Resort. You can get a full English breakfast, which we're going to have one to show you. Right, quickly show you around the lake. It is it's a great lake. Large pond, mini lake, whatever you want to call it. There are some monsters in here. The other day, one actually smashed the rod. So I've brought him a replacement that I had, but it's going to be my rod that I'm going to leave here. But for the day, fishing tackle, all your rods and stuff, your bait, everything is 300 baht for the day. When it gets dark, they have lighting all around the lake. They've set up these strip lights, they all come on at dusk. So you can carry on and literally have a great day. Right, we've ordered an English breakfast, and we'll show you that. I'll just get the rods and reels and stuff, and then we'll have a day's fishing. Right, breakfast has arrived already. This has got to be the large breakfast. It looks great, no drooling, and I'll show you now. Now that, look at that sausage, look at that sausage. Decent bacon, decent sausage, mushrooms, tomatoes, properly grilled, 2 eggs, baked beans, coffee. I asked for bread and butter. Now that is thick, that is proper. You can have it toasted, obviously. I wanted it, I'm done with toast. That, with the coffee, 2 slices, proper thick, 150 baht. Obviously it's a bar here also. You can have a beer, you can have all different types of food. While you're having a fish, if it starts raining, you're under cover. How bad, how bad. For 300 baht, you can take that to the bank. Right, I'll get on with my breakfast. See you soon. Right, we're all set up. We've got bread on at the moment. We're going to see if we can get some decent carp or whatever. You can catch anything on bread. Yeah, it's true. You can catch anything on bread. I was in Soy 6 last week and I got a bit of a problem, and I went back there to the girl and she said, how do you know it weren't bread? But what can you say? Apparently it's true, you can catch anything on bread. So we'll come back to you when we get something. I won't leave it on, I'm not going to have you with me all the time. Well, it's worth you seeing it, you will. So I'll be back with you about 2 minutes. We're in at last.
It formed on the wall. You knocked everything off when you went down.
Let's get over. It's a little common. Not as common as me. Yeah, it is small. We'll try and get a bit bigger, but it's a start. Alright, we'll get back out there. Well, it's looking like the red tail don't want to know today on the prawn. So I'm going back on the bread. I want a little bit of action of some sort. So we'll see how we get on. It's not been the best. I'm not the best fisherman in the world. In fact, I'm probably the worst. But I do like to chill out and do a bit, so it doesn't matter. Had a couple of carp, but not getting a red tail. I'm changing back to bread. It's 6:40 PM. And the lights have just come on around the lake, so you can carry on fishing. Nice touch. Jesus, it took my fingers off. We do have a biggie. Oh! Still taking line. Oi. Jesus. I hope you can see this. I think it nearly took the rod in. I've grabbed the line, I think it slides through my fingers. Wow. It is a very nice. Oi. It's a catfish, but it's not a red tail. And we've landed. Wow. Now that is a catfish. I'll come back to you shortly. It took a fight, it really did. So That last one, it nearly took the rod in, and I've grabbed the rod, but I've grabbed the line, and it sliced and burnt through them 2 fingers. It hurts. Anyway, what a finale at the end. I'm not, like I said, I'm not the best fisherman, but it's a very good chill out day. You can finish 7:30. I'm done now, and then carry on. If you want, if you want, or you're looking for something to do during the day that's not going to cost you a fortune, Wilfs fishing retreat, 300 baht, including the equipment bait. There's bar here, there's food here, there's a sore hand here. Anyway, I'm pleased something happened at the end. There are some monsters in here. There are common carp up to £30 for 300 baht a day. There's a mixed bag. I should have stayed with the bread and not gone on the prawn. I was hoping to get you a red towel, and it was, yeah, what could I do? Anyway, if you liked it, it's a chilling day out. Give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. I will put the link to the fishing resort in the comments, but it's a good day out. Just turn up, should be no problem. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Call my hand and I'll it stings, it's sore. But anyway, if you liked it, as I said, thumbs up, like and share. Subscribe, you haven't got to, but it would be nice. And hopefully we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I'm going to the clinic now.
I'm gone fishing.